To install iMovie, at first we need to click the Apple menu and it will bring this menu. From here we have to go App Store. I'm going to click here and the App Store window will be open shortly. From here we'll find a search box is there. We just need to click here and then it will open the search window. I mean, here we just need to type the item or things I want to search. So I'm going to type iMovie and then hit return key of my Mac keyboard, and here it will show all the result related to iMovie, and here I see iMovie is there. To download and install it, we just need to click here. It will bring like this. By default it will show you a get button like this. For example, this one, you'll find this type of get button. I already installed this thing before, that's why it is showing like cloud icon. So if you already installed this thing on your iMac previously, then you will find this type of icon. Otherwise you will get this type of get button. So whatever the icon is there, it doesn't matter. You just need to click here to access iMovie, and then where there is a get button, you just need to click here. I'm going to click here because I want to install it. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly you will find a circle is going to fill up, and it will show you the time required to complete this fill up, that means to install it. When the circle will be filled completely, that means the iMovie has been installed successfully on your Mac computer. So we have to wait till it finished downloading and installing this iMovie software on our Mac device. Once iMovie is installed successfully, then you will find open button. You can click here to open the iMovie. There are different ways you can open it. The easiest option is just click here and the spotlight search will be there. Here you just need to type iMovie, and here you will see the iMovie application is there. We just need to click here to open iMovie, and very shortly the iMovie application will be opened on our Mac device. And that's it. In this way we can easily download and install iMovie on our Mac device.